mic on?
Yeah, I can't see you.
Kablooey!
Oh, Jesus. Nigga, this is my cup. Drink.
What's up, my childrens? I'm Steven, and welcome back to Fridge Kids. This is season 2, episode 1. All right, we're back in the old kitchen, and a little trivia fact. There's a dead guy over there. I killed him like a year ago. He's still there. No one's found him. What? Anyway, now we're back to everyone's favorite segment. The mystery box.
Yeah.
Clap harder. All right, kids. Let's see what's in this box today. It's fucking disgusting. The fuck? Alright. You pee on that. Is that pee? You bastard. Alright, we got the stove going, and now we're gonna cook our very own tofu. I don't know how to fucking cook tofu. You knew this. You knew I didn't know how to cook this.
It's the only thing we can afford,
I
Steven.
said there's about 3 things I can cook. I can cook broccoli.
Your contract costs too much, Steven. Shut your whore!
Alright, we got our pan. I have this pan.
Crap.
Alright, it's on the stove. Now we're gonna take some of our Classico extra virgin oil. And we're gonna put it on the pan. Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Yeah.
Can I go home now?
Shut your fucking mouth!
We got our tofu, and now we're gonna take some of it and we're gonna put it in the pan.
Steven, no.
I have no idea what we're doing. All right, kids, our power went out, so our stove.
The smash doesn't work.
The stove is turned off. Ah! Fuck! Fuck! Alright! Now it's everyone's favorite segment, the fridge. We're gonna do our epic fridge reveal like we do every season. This is the fridge we're using. The power went out, so nothing's really cold. Is that cooking?
You have a microwave?
We have no power! We're gonna use a fucking microwave!
Steven. Come here. Come here, Steven.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Steven.
Nah!
Steven. I will blow your fucking brain out! Come here, Steven.
I need to do my show right now, Michael,
Steven,
alright?
come here. I need to talk to you.
Oh my god.
Fucking whore. I will slit your wrist so that you cannot fucking see your fucking...
I feel uncomfortable here, Michael. That's fine.
What?
items is Velasic, freshly packed in the USA, kosher dill horse.
It's pickles, like.
Hold. Fuck!
Give me a spatula, Steven.
Fuck! Ah! Alright, we got our tofu. Let's see what else is in the fridge.
Steven, it's empty. Steven, that's for the office.
Ketchup. You're cute. Shut up! Fucking hate this show.
Steven,
Why did I agree to do this again?
because you're a whore.
Shut your mouth. Stop! Stop playing that fucking thing! I need to go to the bathroom.
No, Steven, Steven,
Go to the bathroom.
Steven, this never ends well. Steven, get back here! Steven?
What do you want?
Steven, I'm here to talk to you.
I don't want to talk to you.
Steven, it's okay.
Leave me alone, Michael!
Steven,
Michael, I'll fucking kill myself!
Steven!
Michael!
Steven!
I'm done with this fucking show!
Steven, listen to me. Listen to me.
What?
It's your fault. You should definitely shoot yourself. Steven, don't do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Steven, I brought you an onion.
I like onions!
It's okay. Steven, that onion had cyanide in it!
I'm not friends with you anymore, Michael. There's onion in between my fucking teeth.
Steven, you what? Steven. Steven.
Where's your camera? How do you like a gun pointing at your fucking skull? Yeah! What? We're back to Fridge Kids, baby! Whoa! What's next in the fridge? We got green stuff. Everybody loves a bit of green stuff.
Steven,
Stop. Especially when your green stuff
Steven, that's cum!
is on your tofu. Who doesn't like green stuff? Am I right? Green stuff, more like green fun. I wish I was dead. This is hell. I am dead. This is my own personal hell.
Steven, do you know where we are?
I don't remember how I got here.
Steven, are you okay?
I just did a lot of drugs, Michael.
Steven.
Get down! Don't touch me! We're doing Fridge Kids. Everyone loves Fridge Kids. Got a little bit of jam. Who likes jam? Everyone likes jam around here. You guys like jam? You like jam?
Somebody call the cops.
I swear to God, whoever picks up a phone, I will strangle him. I will Get down! Look at me. Look at me. Don't you open that door! Get back here! Sit down! Why would you want to miss out on the tofu?
Can I please call?
Stop! We're making tofu!
I need to call my mom.
I killed your mom. She's
In
dead.
that case.
Well, okay.
Hey, can I please use the bathroom, please?
Ah!
Wait, no.
The tofu's burning.
Steven.